Starting with the very latest from the farmer protests and the politics around it, 5 opposition leaders, including Rahul Gandhi and Sharad Pawar, like we said, have just reached the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and the meeting with President Ramnath Kovind has started. They're meeting the president, needless to say, over the farmer protests and the new farm laws. The opposition, led by Rahul Gandhi, will seek the president's intervention and seek the repealing of the new farm laws. Remember that all of these opposition leaders have at one point or another, when in power, proposed precisely the laws that have now been rolled out by the Modi government. So there is a degree of hypocrisy in what is playing out right now, but that is the very nature and the core of politics in this country. The BJP has opposed farm laws of this kind when they've been in opposition, so it goes both ways. So the opposition leaders, including Sharad Pawar, who has literally been agriculture minister and proposed laws and policies of this kind as agriculture minister many years ago under the UPA government, is now part of this delegation meeting Ramnath Kovind. So I just wanted to put out the context there as we report these developments to you. India Today's Kamaljeet Sandhu is with me live. Kamal, 5 opposition leaders, Rahul Gandhi, Sharad Pawar, whose letter we also saw just a few days ago, all of these leaders meeting Ramnath Kovind at this time, and that meeting has started, we're hearing, Kamal.
Yes, the meeting was supposed to start at 5. Half an hour ago, all these leaders came in. The last to come was Rahul Gandhi, the Congress leader. But clearly, it's government which is not really considering the opposition leader as a stakeholder in the farmer protest. But remember, the opposition parties have been putting up pressure. They've been saying that this is not a very well thought of agri laws, and that is why it must be repealed. Since the president is the custodian of the constitution, they want him to intervene in this particular matter and tell or advise the government that they need to repeal